One of them has to be being able to hang out with my friends. Well, there's a lot of other memorable activities in CSS, such as being the house captain, inter-house events such as inter-house cheerleading, like performing in the Winter Art Showcase.
Probably the MYP graduation. Everyone dressed up so nice. People had lots of fun. I was enjoying every moment I was on stage being presented all those awards, and people were cheering for me, so yeah.
Has been Sports Day. I just really enjoy cheering for my fellow classmates, and being able to be with my friends while competing in sports events has been such a memorable moment and a good showcase of our school spirit.
Probably be when we performed for the first time in Form 1 Christmas Assembly together.
And we were really scared to do it, but we found the courage to do it, and that's the first time we felt all of CSS's love within the community.
Probably how competitive everyone was, and also how supportive people were. All my friends, even though we were competitors, we were also supportive of each other, so yeah.
I think I just love how supporting everyone is, from our teachers to the higher education team to the student teachers to the classmates. They're all amazing, and when I have any questions regarding exams or assessments, I can always ask them and they will always help.
The teachers are very kind, very nice. They're very helpful, not only in the way of academics, but as a personal development as well. What I like about the community has to be the students, because it's like a huge family here.
It's always changing and adapting and evolving, and that's good.
What we love most is how everyone is so warm and friendly, and you can always go up to anyone and they'll be really nice to you.
Yeah, and everyone's friends with anyone, no matter what your form is.
I love how diverse we are in terms of culture. Like, all of my friends are from different countries, and I learn so much about new cultures every day.
Everyone's so friendly. They're always there to support you.
Happy 20th anniversary,
CSS!